Halo Water System's highly filtered Super Soft Combo is the ultimate hard water filtration solution. This system combines the Halo 5's high-efficiency filtration and conditioning with the C10 softener for a silky soft chlorine-free experience throughout the whole house. The CK10 performance is enhanced, having a longer lifespan and consuming 25% less salt while being protected by the Halo 5's high filtration and conditioning.
So I'm Nick, I'm here with Perfect Service Heating and Air. Today we're going to be installing a Halo 5 Super Soft Combo. Before we get started, we're going to test the water and see what the contents of the water are before the filter. So I have the test kit filled up to the designated line, 4, 5. So we're actually a little higher than ideal level chlorine for a pool.
Here are the 5 stages of the Halo 5 water filtration system. Stage 1. The water passes through a special carbon filter that removes common chemicals, bad taste, odors, and harmful pollutants. Stage 2. The water is further purified to remove chlorine, improving taste and smell, and balancing the pH for better quality water. Stage 3. The water passes through a natural filter that efficiently removes tiny particles, making the water clear and free of cloudiness. Stage 4. The water is filtered through a durable material that captures even smaller particles, ensuring it's even cleaner and providing strong support for the other filters. Stage 5. The water is treated to prevent hard minerals from causing scale buildup on pipes and appliances, while also helping to dissolve existing scale. If you're interested in this product, give Perfect Service Heating and Air a call at 205-957-2022. Perfect Service Heating and Air, license number 2018088, is a limited liability company. Services provided are subject to terms and conditions. Some restrictions may apply. Not responsible for any unexpected urges to enjoy cleaner air and water. Always read the fine print and consult a professional before making any decisions. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and stay with Perfect Service.